welcome to the channel Learn Russian in 5 minutes a day, where you can find a lot of useful lessons on everyday Russian. I'm a professional native Russian teacher, helping people all over the world to master the Russian language. In today's lesson, we are going to find out how we can ask a question "How are you?" in Russian. We are going to talk about both variants, formal and informal. So let's start. The informal way to ask "How are you?" is "Как дела?" Как дела? You can start a dialogue like this when talking to your friends or close people. But it is not appropriate to say this phrase in an official situation. In such situations, you can say «Как поживаете?» «Как поживаете?» So, and now let's see how we can respond to these questions. Спасибо, хорошо. Спасибо, нормально. И спасибо, неплохо. These are three most common ways we answer this question in Russian. So, and now let's repeat the questions and the answers once again. Как дела? Как поживаете? Спасибо, хорошо. Спасибо, нормально. Спасибо, неплохо. So, I hope this lesson was helpful for you. If so, please put like and subscribe. And see you in the next video. До свидания.